Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy a gift card from eBay. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in ebay.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official eBay website. If you haven't logged into your account already, you will see the sign in button at the top left corner, which you can click on and proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in and taken back into the home page, if you wish to buy a gift card, then after logging in, type in ebay.com/giftcards in the address bar and press enter. This will take you into the gift card website. Click on the buy now option and then click on let's go. You will then be redirected into the gift card purchase page. You will then be asked to choose your gift card design and then choose the amount that you wish to load into it. Then choose whether you want to send to someone else or to yourself, and there is also an option to mail this to someone. Then enter the recipient's name as well as email address and enter your customized gift message if you wish. Then include the sender name followed by your date when you want this to be sent. Finally, click on the continue button and you will be asked to select your payment method. After verifying your payment method and continuing forward, your gift card will be delivered to the recipient through the chosen method. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to buy a gift card from eBay. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.